Okay, right now I'm in the middle of doing the Tour-Pak relocation. I'm interrupting it because I'm going to be installing the run, brake, turn LED light that fits between the bottom of the Tour-Pak and the top of the trunk. It's a Tour-Pak filler light. This one came off of the 14. It's got probably 50,000 miles on it, and I just cleaned it up a little bit, and I'm going to go ahead and install it onto the bottom of the Tour-Pak, and we'll wire it up a little bit later. But then after I install this onto the bottom of the Tour-Pak, I'll go ahead and finish up the Tour-Pak relocation and get it back on the trike. Now that we have this Tour-Pak relocated on the bracket, it's time to put this Tour-Pak up and over and back into the 6 holes that it came out of. So now the Tour-Pak is sitting back on the top of the trunk. The 6 bolts are lined up, which you can't really see because we have the Tour-Pak filler light there, but you can see how it's sitting there. It's not bolted on yet. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it from the inside the trunk. What we've done is relocate the Tour-Pak back. It is now 3 inches further back, which is going to give Mary a lot more room, because I have my backrest that's going to come up here, and it's going to give her plenty of space. If you like the videos that we're doing, please hit subscribe, push the like button. We'd appreciate it.